The form song number 4.
Wait, may challenge ako sa'yo. Anong challenge ako?
What's the challenge? What's the challenge?
Wait lang, may challenge ako sa'yo. Di ba nag-VM tayo? Nag-voice message siya. I dare you to record whole night. Whole night.
Sure.
Pwede. Sige, tara. Deal.
Deal.
Nigga. Shake my hand, nigga!
Never. He's getting aggressive. The pizza is aggressive. I wait, bro. Let's go biking.
Fucking nigga.
Let's go biking.
Nah, bro.
Hey, it was good, GJ.
Ay, di na, bro!
Good night.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, wait. Wait. Let me try it again. Put down the pillow.
Sige, mahulog ka dyan.
Wait, just let me do this. What the fuck? No, just stay there. Okay.
Epilepsy. Buwis na second kiss tayo. Yan! Super! Ay, naalala mo yung recording natin. Yung pillow fight.
Yeah, wait.
Go.
What the
It smells so bad!
Aray!
Yo! My God! Ugh!
Put the phone down!
Wait lang kasi.
Put the phone down!
May chichika lang ako sa Instagram. Putang ina baka. Ugh!
Oh wait, try not to laugh.
Wait, no. I can't.
I remember when they gave me a cramp. Remember that? When you remember this?
Wait, meron na tao dito eh.
do you remember this? Wait. How long is this? Pause. Laugh 4 minutes.
Okay lang.
The end of song 4. Nigga!